How to find the best Peacock TV promo discount code. The first things first is open up any browser that you want to use and then just create a new tab while you're currently on Peacock TV. Now, on your new tab, just simply type in couponfollow.com. Now, once you're here, this is going to be the website for us to be able to get a certain code for any platforms. So since we're trying to find a code for Peacock TV, then just head directly to search for a store and type in Peacock TV. Now just choose on the first result that says Peacock. Now these are going to be the options that you can choose or you can use. Now for example, you want the first option, which is going to be the 85% off for your subscription. Now all you have to do to show the code is just click on the first link and you should have the visible codes symbol right here. Now, before you place the order on your subscription with Peacock TV, you'll have to enter this code and you're good to go. So that's it. That's how you find the best Peacock TV discount promo code.